Hello everyone. This is our 13th video. The lesson topic is comparison. Comparison is the act of comparing people, places, things that have equal qualities or unequal qualities. In comparison, there are 3 degrees: the positive degree, normally called the first degree, the comparative degree, and then called second degree, the superlative degree, which is called the highest degree of comparison, or the third degree. Later on, we'll discuss all the 3 degrees, their structures, example sentences in the 14th video or session. Now, let's look at the positive degree. In positive degree, there are 2 structures. The first structure is the as structure. The second structure is the same as structure. When we say this, the as structure has 3 dots between the 2 as's. The 3 dots represent words or parts of speech. That is to say, as plus adjective or adverb plus as. The second form or the second structure is the same as structure. This is the same plus noun or noun phrase or noun group. In each case, let's look at the form of the construction, taking the examples. Adjectives or adverbs are used in the first structure. Nouns or noun groups are used in the second form or the second structure of the positive degree. Let's look at it. As hot or as cold as. The 2 words are adjectives and they are opposites. They are opposites. We can say as hot as or as cold as. We say as high or as low as strong or as weak as far or as near as fast or as slow as expensive or as cheap as wide or as narrow as long or as short as big or as small as thin or fat as heavy or light as. These represent the first form or the first structure of the positive degree. The second form is the same as structure. In the same as structure, the words or the adjectives which are used in the as structure should be changed into the noun form. They should be changed into the noun form. For example, we don't say the same hot as. Never. We don't say the same cold as. Rather, we change the adjectives into their noun form or noun group form. So we say as hot as or as cold as, changing these into the second structure like the same temperature as, the same height as, the same strength as, the same distance as, the same speed as, the same price as, the same width as, the same length as, the same size as, the same thickness as, the same weight as. There is a remark at the end of this session. The same as plus noun or noun phrase plus as is wrong. Second point. As the same plus as is also unacceptable. Watch carefully. Study this point carefully. In general, in the next video, we'll see the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree together. And in addition to these, before we start the discussion of the 3 degrees, we'll look at the negative formation of the positive degree. Thank you very much. See you the next time. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Goodbye.